Welcome to Spellwell program.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat, sir.
Okay, what about yourself?
Myself, B. Nitya. I am from 4th class. I am studying in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan. My father name is Ravi. He is farmer. My mother name is Sujata. She is homemaker.
Right. Are you ready to Spellwell program?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Yes. Your first word is creatures.
Creatures. Creatures.
Okay. Introduction.
I am TRODUCTION. Introduction.
Okay. Frightened.
FRIGHTENED. Frightened.
Okay. Narration.
NARRATION. Narration.
Identify.
IDENTIFY. Identify.
Outskirts.
OUTSKIRTS. Outskirts.
Necessary.
NECSSARY. Necessary.
Australian.
AUSTRALIAN. Australian.
Conclusion.
CONCLUSION. Conclusion.
Decreasing.
DECREASING. Decreasing.
Geometry.
GEOMETRY. Geometry.
Centuries.
CENTURIES. Centuries.
Employment.
EMPLOYMENT. Employment.
Transformation.
TRANSFORMATION. Transformation.
Programmer.
PROGRAMMER. Programmer.
Okay, your GK question. The first one is, where is Sun Temple located?
Odisha.
Odisha. You are right. What is the national food of India?
Khichdi.
Khichdi. Which is called as a Bank of India?
RBI.
RBI. What is called study of animals?
Zoology.
Zoology. Very good. How many states are there in India?
29.
Excellent performance. Very good, Nitya. Say, how did you feel about this program?
I felt very happy. Thank you, sir.
Well.